does anybody need to send one last text message before they die? You know it. Go ahead and send that one last text message before you die. And then when you finish with your text message, go ahead and let yourself die. Finish. Nice round of applause. Good job, volunteer. Anybody want to get a happy drink now? Yeah, I know it. There you go, happy drink. Go ahead and stretch your chairs, volunteers. Take to that happy drink and go deeper into hypnosis. Deeper into hypnosis. Enjoy your happy drink and go deeper into There's one person here. Sit up straight. Going deeper in hypnosis. I'm going to move that chair back into place. You're going to let yourself come back into your chair and go deeper into hypnosis. You got it. And volunteers on stage. Sleep. Stay in your chairs. Good. Great. Volunteers on stage, you're doing terrific. From this moment on, anytime you hear me, count backwards. 3, 2, 1, and say sleep. You will find your sleep position, but you will find your sleep position in super slow motion. You understand? Gently nod your head. Good. If I count down 3, 2, 1, sleep, you will find your sleep position. You will find it in super slow motion. Allow yourself to relax now. I've got another surprise for you. I'm taking you on an airplane with me, first class. All expenses paid, spring break in Florida. By nodding your head, if you're interested in traveling with me, Florida, first class, I paid for everything. The people who do not want to be with you are nowhere to be found. The people who want to be with you are with you. Volunteers on stage, go ahead and sit up straight in your chairs, keep your eyes closed, go deeper in hypnosis, and get yourself comfortable. Do whatever you do when you get on an airplane. Make sure you get yourself buckled in, adjust your air conditioning, your heat, listen to your iPod, your radio, go to sleep, whatever makes you comfortable when you're on an airplane. That's right, volunteers. Imagine you're on this airplane, first class. I'm taking care of all of it for you. You're so excited. It's so cool. All right.
Oh my God.
We're getting out, flying out of Chicago, and a cold front came through. And you're so glad to be getting out of Chicago with this cold front. So you're sitting on the airplane in Florida clothes. And they got a problem on the other side because of the weather. And now there's no heat or air conditioning in this airplane. And it's like 30 degrees outside, and this tin can of an airplane is getting really, really cold. It's like you're in your summer clothes, and it's like 40 degrees in this airplane, and you really think it's getting colder. Like you can see your breath when you breathe. It's getting 32 degrees in the airplane. Ice is coming off your nose. There's so cold in the airplane. Like 25 degrees in the airplane. And the wind is blowing so hard. And yes, that person next to you is so warm. You're so cold, and that person next to you is so warm. They brought all the warmth with you. You're freezing, but when you snuggle next to that person next to you, you get so warm. They're so warm. That person next to you is so warm. Is your favorite smell the pie? I think you can smell that smell coming from the person next to you. Your favorite smell is pie. It's coming from the person next to you. Pizza smell. Your favorite smell. That's right. That person next to you smells so good. And they're so warm on that airplane. Wow. Well, since it's so hot on the airplane, I have some ice cream that I need to get rid of, but if I don't get rid of it, it's going to melt. So when I come touch your hand, I want you to imagine I give you your very favorite ice cream. If you do not eat it up fast, it is going to melt all over. Because they turn the heat on now in the airplane and it's going the other way. The heat is blowing on you. And it's so hot in the airplane now, I think it's like 75 degrees. And this ice cream is tasting so good. They got it all messed up. It's like getting hotter in this airplane. It's like 85 degrees in the airplane now. This ice cream is tasting so good. It's getting warmer. They've got it all messed up. It's like 90 degrees in this airplane now. And even my summer Florida clothes seem really warm. Like 95 degrees. This ice cream is eating so good. It's keeping me cool. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. If I fan myself, I can feel better. And if I fan myself really fast, I feel even better. It's like 90 degrees in this stupid airplane. 90 degrees. 90 degrees in the stupid airplane. I swear it's getting hotter. Oh my gosh. So I finish up that ice cream. I don't want anybody to get brain freeze. Oh, you did too fast there. Well, the captain has come over. Everything's okay on the other side. He's gotten off. He's taken off the no seatbelt sign. Some people have gone to the back. Yeah, as a matter of fact, someone went to the back. And they left the door open. And I think they had a burrito for lunch. And that odor is coming to your road. That smell is making it, I can't believe someone would do that. This is a Greyhound, first class charter airplane. And they ate burritos and they left the bathroom door open. And I think it's the person next to you. Oh my gosh, how rude. They smelled so nice. Oh my gosh, let's take the air freshener. I'll take care of that. How rude. The air freshener. Make it all pleasant in here again. Feel air pressure all around you, especially down here. Lots of air pressure, all better now. Cool. Hey, I don't know if you guys know this or not, but Vivitar has throwaway binoculars. They're like $4. And they're underneath your seat because we got the coolest captain. As we're coming into Florida, he's coming down low to the beach because you got the Playboy Bunnies playing volleyball. You got college guys playing volleyball against each other. Trim, tan, that's right. Get those binoculars, you can look. Trim, tan, tone, jumping up and down, playing in the sand. Oh my gosh. That's right. Go ahead. Get those. Here, let me get them for you. There's your binoculars. There you go. There's your binoculars. You go ahead and look. That's right. So, the pilot had to turn around, so what you like that was on your left is now on your right. What you like on your right is now on your left. You gotta turn around and make sure you get a full view. Where cool pilots go down so low like that. That's so nice. You literally are watching them bounce up and down. Up and down, up and down. Wow, that's so cool. It's like that copper tone can commercial too. The one pants fell off of the back. Wow, up and down, up and down. Very good, volunteers. Hey, Captain's got to go back. He's got to get into the airport, so he had to leave the beach here. One last look, and one last look. But the surprises are not over, guys. Just so you know, the surprises are not over. Anybody else want some more of that happy drink? There you go. Help yourself. There you go. There's your happy drink. There's your happy drink.